Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your own personal voice to the live speech on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, after creating your own personal voice by going to the settings, swiping down, going to accessibility, swiping down and going to personal voice, and how to create your own personal voice. We have another video on our channel how to do this, so be pleased to search for that video and get to know everything that you need to know to create a personal voice. After processing, as I thought, it took one night to process my voice, to create my voice. So it is named the Simon's voice. We can go in and see all the settings. We can change the name right here. So now if you want to set it to the live speech, as you can see, my live speech is now on. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I do have Siri, and let's say it's a nice day today.
It's a nice day today.
So as you can see, now the voice from the English, the Siri Voice 1 Australia is now set. So to set the mine personal that I have created, you want to go to the live speech. So maybe from the start I will show you. So open settings, swipe down, tap on accessibility, swipe down, go to the live speech and go to the voices. And I have created for the English one, so go to the English and you can go to personal voice and then select the ones that you have created. So this is the one that I have created. So now we do have the Simon's voice, as you can see here. So let's now open the live speech. 1, 2, 3. And let's type the same. It's a nice day today. Maybe I will make it louder a little bit. It's a nice day today. I don't know if you could hear it, but that was definitely my voice. So it's a nice day today. Again, I will play you. It's a nice day today. So now I do have the live speech of my own voice set right now. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!